Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today's DIY is to provide nourishment to your hair and eliminate dryness, frizz or lack of shine using natural ingredients. Let's get started. Take fenugreek seeds, soak them overnight and blend them into a fine paste. Or grind the fenugreek seeds into fine powder. Now take a bowl and add fenugreek powder according to your hair length. Here I am adding 3 tablespoons. Now add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to it. Add aloe vera gel 2 tablespoons. Add half to 1 cup of curd or adjust according to consistency. Applying curd to hair can help moisturize, condition and promote a healthier scalp due to its natural protein and probiotics. Adding 2 egg whites to the mixture. Egg whites are rich in protein, adds shine and improves texture of your hair and help remove excess oil when used as a hair mask. Adjust the consistency accordingly. Ensure the mixture has a paste-like consistency that's easy to apply. Soak it for about 1 hour. To make this application process easy, I have applied coconut oil to my hair. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair. Make sure to cover the roots to the tips. Let the mask sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. After the waiting period, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. Use this mask once a week for best results. This DIY hair mask could work wonders for your hair's health and appearance. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.